quadrilateral when the lengths of 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. So construct a quadrilateral GOLD where OL is 7.5 centimeters, GL is 6 centimeters, GD is 6 centimeters, LD is 5 centimeters, OD is equal to 10 centimeters. So quadrilateral GOLD is the quadrilateral. So let's see. GO, it's not given anywhere. OL, you know, it's a 7.5 centimeters. And GL, you know GL, this is diagonal of the quadrilateral. GL is 6 centimeters. GL is 6 centimeters and GD is 6 centimeters and LD is 5 centimeters and OD is 10 centimeters. OD is 10 centimeters. So here we have 2 diagonals and the 3 sides are given. 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. We need to find out this quadrilateral GOLD. So we cannot construct GO first because GO we don't have. So let's start with DL or LD. DL or LD. So starting with this, we'll construct 5 centimeters first. We have taken 5 centimeters radius on compass. So we get GO LD. So in this panel or LD. So this is LD or DL. LD is 5 centimeters. We have taken because the reason of taking LD here as the base, we don't have GO as the base. That's the reason we have taken either side of the base. So LD is 5 centimeters. After taking 5 centimeters radius, let's construct a triangle using LD. LD we can construct GLD. GLD we can construct. The reason is you know GD and GL. So let's construct GD and GL. So on compass we will take DG or DG. DG is 6 centimeters. So take 6 centimeters radius on compass. Let's make an arc. This 6 centimeters radius. And this is G. GD. So GOLD will get it here. So GD completed. And we know LG because we are going to construct a triangle of LGD. So LG we know that is 6 centimeters. Let's take 6 centimeters radius on compass. Approximate. Yeah, we have taken. So this is 6 centimeters radius on compass we have taken. So this is G. And we constructed this diagonal of this. So that is LG 6 centimeters. LG we have taken 6 centimeters. So let's make this arc big. Okay. So next one we need to construct with another triangle or with the G. So with the G we have GO. GO we don't have, and we have of LD completed. OL is left out. OL we can do, that is 7.5 centimeters. So let's take OL 7.5 centimeters. This is OL. So GO, we know GO how much it is. So GO we don't have, the diagonal we have. Next one is LD. GL is completed. LG or GL and OL we have completed and GD we have completed and OD, that is OD we need to do, because OD we did not take 10 centimeters. LD we have done with the first, so OD we need to construct, that is 10 centimeters left arm. Remaining all the things are completed. How? 6 centimeters diagonal, 6 centimeters radius, 5 centimeters line segment, and 6 centimeters line segment, and then 6 centimeters here, and this is OG. OGs we have done. Sorry, we done here OL. OL is 7.5 centimeters we have drawn here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 4 measurements completed. OD is left arm. So let's take 10 centimeters radius on compass, and OD with O and D we need to join 10 centimeters. O and D, let's join this. So OD we join. So O to D, and this is 10 centimeters. O to D. So let's join the diagonals first to understand clearly. So GL, let's join GL. It's a diagonal. And the next one is GD. We got a triangle. The next diagonal is OD. We know OD, 10 centimeters we have drawn in class. So let's join this OD. Then after, let's join this OL. OL is this one. So finally, we don't have the OG. So OG we don't know. Actually, we don't know what is the measurement of OG. So we can join these two vertices. Okay. So let's join this OG without knowing this measurement. We join this OG. So finally we got the quadrilateral GOLD quadrilateral using the two diagonals. So let's go to the next one. Draw a line, say AB, take a point C outside it. Through C, draw a line parallel to AB. And this we need to do using the ruler and compass only. We should not use the protractor. So first we need to draw a line. Let's draw a line. We draw a line. Say AB, name it as AB. We have drawn a line and name it as AB. Take a point C outside of it. So not taking on the line segment AB, just take it away from it, outside of it. So we have taken a point outside of it. So now through C, draw a line parallel to AB. Through C, we need to draw a line parallel to AB, the line AB. So we must draw a line through this point. So this is the name of C. We need to take the point C here outside of AB. We have taken. So we need to draw a line through this point C, which is parallel to AB. So let's draw using only compass and scale. So let's use compass. Join A and C. We have joined A and C. Now using compass, let's take a convenient radius on compass. We have taken some radius. So using the point A, cut these two sides. We have cut these two sides. So we made an arc here. It's making some angle. Let's see again what we have done. So we have taken the point, the vertex A, and made an arc on this. So we got one arc, it made an angle. So some of the angle is formed. So we'll take the same radius, what we have taken here at A. We'll use the same radius here. And using the vertex C, we'll make an arc again. maintain our arc here. So it is intersecting this AC at one of the point. Take that point and name it as some letter D. Using D with the same radius. Using D with the same radius. Let's make an arc with this. Let's intersect this arc. So we got one more point there. So let's name it as E. So this is the point E, and we got C here. Already we have drawn it starting. So let's join this C and E. C and E is going to join. So let's extend this line. So we have extended this line. Now let's observe the line which is parallel to AB is EC. Let's extend it. We can name it as L, or with two letters also we can represent. So AB is parallel to AC. These two lines are parallel to each other. So let's recall again. We have drawn AB first. Line segment AB we have taken. So AB takes our radius. And before that, AB we have taken. After that, taken a point at outside of AB we have taken and joined with the A. So AC is formed. Then after AC, let's take some of the radius on compass. We have taken some of the radius on compass. Then made arc. We got some of the arc using the same radius. At point C, we made arc once again. We got one more arc. Arc is intersecting the line of AC at one of the point. That point we have taken as D. Using D again and use the same radius using the point D, and using the same radius we cut this arc what we have drawn previously. Okay, so this both arcs are intersecting together. That is named it as E. So this is the point E. So now let's observe this E and C, the points, the line on the same line. That we to say here, the 2 points we got. Let's join these 2 points. So we got a line now. So EC and AB, observe EC and AB that are parallel to each other. We can measure the distance between these two. Always seen. 15 centimeters. Here also 15. Also 15. All are equal here. So the distance between these two lines is always equal. So we can see AB is parallel to EC. So this is the process of drawing a line which is parallel to the another given line. So let's go to